start than their 16-0-1 record.
Speaking of fantastic champions, the It Girl.
And their opponents, TBS champion, Maya World, and Alex Windsor and Jamie Hayter, the Brawling Birds.
As I mentioned, Tony, the Brawling Birds will be challenging for the AEW Women's World Tag Team Championship this Sunday at Wembley Stadium, all in London. Maya World, the TBS champion. Unfortunately for her, she came up short against Willow Nightingale this past Saturday at Collision, but she still remains one of the hottest rising stars in the sport today.
No doubt what Maya World has brought into AEW. A lot of confidence, a lot of excitement. Speaking of excitement, can you get any more exciting than what the Brawling Birds bring to the ring? These two women just love to fight, among other things.